Hello and welcome to The Only Way is Open Source. In this short video, I will walk you through installing Ubuntu Puffin as a virtual machine. There's also a step-by-step user guide linked within the description. So without further ado, let's dive in. Open a web browser of your choice and search for Ubuntu. Select its URL and head on over to download Ubuntu Desktop. Scroll down and select Ubuntu 25.04 Intel or AMD 64-bit architecture. Next, head on over to VirtualBox and set up a brand new virtual machine. Give it a name, Ubuntu, and select a folder where you want the virtual machine to be installed. Select the ISO image, which is the Ubuntu file we just downloaded. Select Skip Unattended Installation and then Next. If you can, allocate some more memory to it, ideally 4 GB. As well as this, increase the CPU cores available if possible. The virtual hard disk space will default to 25 GB. Check the summary, and if you're happy, click Finish. Next, run your virtual machine for the installation to start. Select Try or Install Ubuntu. Select your language. If you need any accessibility options, go down the list and select what you need. Determine your keyboard layout. In this instance, we're going to use the wired connection as the virtual machine will use the host's network configuration. You can try Ubuntu, but we're going to go straight for the install. We're not going to do an automated installation, so leave interactive installation as the default. At this time, we're going to do the extended selection. This will add added tools and utilities. We also want to install third-party software and download additional media formats. For this installation, we want to erase the disk and install Ubuntu. We're not going to set any encryption this time. Now you can create your account. Give it a name, give it a computer name, and then create your username and password. In this instance, we want to have require my password to log in checked. Ensure you have the right time zone. Review all the choices, and if you're happy, click Install. The installation will take effect. Once the installation is complete, restart the machine. You may be prompted to remove the installation medium. In this instance, press Enter. Once the machine has booted, you'll be presented with a login screen. Enter in the credentials you made earlier in the process. Upon successful authentication, you'll be logged in and presented with a desktop.